Hi, today I'm going to tell you about Atlas Credit Card. Now, this is a credit card option that you can take with a lot of pros and a lot of cons as well. Some of the pros include 0% APR and high approval rates, a lot of safe spending limit that grows with you, and you can save over $1,000 every year on average. And also, there's no credit card history that's required. It's supported by a lot of companies as well, like Apple Pay, Google Play, MasterCard, Starbucks, Nike, Target, and Disney Plus, among other things. There's a lot of benefits, like it takes 2 minutes to apply and then get approved, so you can get your credit card fast. There's you can build credit and cruise with you. You can save money every day. There's easy and accessible membership bundle. And there's also cell phone protection, extended warranty protection. There's so much pros that the Atlas credit card have. You can also read through this if you'd like, but of course, every product has its outlier. So if you see on this review here, there's a lot of, it's mostly positive, but there's also a couple of negative review that you should also be mindful of. Like a couple of people say that after the first deposit, it'll be restricted. There's also another people that say that the only good thing is that it forces you to have a better credit. Don't do it. I never received a card. They tell you to beware of the Smart Pay feature. So there's a lot. Of course, everything have its pros and cons. So I urge you to read it yourself and then make your own educated decision after that fact.